Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on a Friday, June the 21st, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call the cipher block, in Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, in the afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So let me start with this one, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 8764. 8764, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this Sudoku has 27 printed digits. That's a lot for a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars Sudokus has always 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about these 4 missing numbers in the second column? 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 3 and 9. No, 3 and no. Need an 8 here. Wait, I need to wait here. 8, 6, 3. Need a 3 here. Let me change the strategy. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only 3 places left, the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there, so the only place left, the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right, how about? Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have 8 and a 1 in this column, so no 8 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 8 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 1 or 8 and a 1. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes at there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes at there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. All right. Let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. How about the number? Let me see. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. All right. 2. Well, we need a 2 there. Need a 1. Need a 3 here. 3 over there. Let me think. 9, 7. About the 1 here. I need a 1 here. Yeah. We we have a pair. The 1 and 8 in this, we have a pair in this big square. We have a 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 and 8 in the column next, so no 1 and 8 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square. For the 1 and 8, 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 is missing, 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1? The 2 is missing, the 3. 4 is missing, 2, 4. And a 5 is missing, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4 we have here in the second row, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 5 then. Alright, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Then, let me see. Need a 4 there. I need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. I need to think here. I need to think. Come on. 5, 5. Need a 9. This is not easy. 1, 8. The 9 here. 1, 8. 2, 4, 6. No. 1. No. Need a 3 there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I need a 3 here. And I need a 3 there. Wow. No. Here, or here. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. And I need a 2. Yeah. In this column, the third column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the third column is number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this row. Last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Need a 1. Need a 7. 1, 7, 4. I need a 4. 1, 7, 4. 1, 4. 1, 7, 4. And I need a 5 here. I need 5. Come on. And 3 here. 1. Need a 1 here or there. 1 here or there. Well, here or there. So I need a 1 here. Ay. 9 minutes already passed. I need to hurry. 5. Oh, 5. Let me put some numbers. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so third row. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, second column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 1 and I need a 7 here. 1 and a 7. 1. 1 in this row, overlooked. 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left of the 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. That means we have a 7 there, 7 here. That means we need a 7 in one of these 2 boxes. Same for the 9, I believe. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. Okay, here we have a 1 and 8 as a pair, 7 and 9. Yeah. I need a 1 here, 1, 1, 1, 1. We need a 1, need an 8, need a 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9. Okay. No 8 here, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, need a 9 there. Yeah, 9 in the last row. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Overlooked, overlooked. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8. Oh, no. We have a 4 here. 4, the 5 and 8. Yeah, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes and there. Overlooked, overlooked. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 8, here we have 8. That means in this column we need an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. Yes, okay. 7 and 2. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Right, 2 numbers left. No. We need a 4 here. We need a 4 in the last row. The 4 could be here, could be there. 8, 8. Okay, how about the 9? 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for 9 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and a 7. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with an 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this middle column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square from this 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Here we have 4, 5, 7, and look, we have 4 and a 5 here in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. One box left in this row for number 1, and 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. Then we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left with 7 should be here. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes here. 1 and an 8, we have an 8 now in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 7 and the 2, 2 and the 4, 7 and the 3. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 7 and 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 2, we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finishes 16 minutes. Wow. Maybe I talk too much. But we solve it again. Well, let me give this a 3, not the 3 stars, 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so I'm not pleased with the time, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.